In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking, Likert, and rating questions in Microsoft Forms. These three question types help capture preferences, satisfaction, and agreement levels quickly and clearly. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in. From the home page, create a new form so we have a blank canvas to work with. On your blank form, look for the Add New button. This is where you'll insert all the question types we need. Let's begin with a rating question. Click Add New, then choose Rating. Type your question text so people know exactly what they're evaluating, for example, overall satisfaction or quality. Next, customize the look and feel. You can switch between stars and numbers and set how many levels you want on the scale. Pick a range that matches your use case. 5 levels are great for quick feedback, while more levels give finer detail. Keep your scale consistent across similar questions to make answers easier to compare. Now, add a ranking question. Click Add New, again, open the dropdown, and select Ranking. Enter the prompt that explains what respondents should prioritize or prefer. Then add the list of options they will rank. Respondents will drag and drop these items into their preferred order, which is perfect for understanding relative importance. Keep options clear and comparable, and avoid mixing categories that don't belong together. Next, add a Likert question. Click Add New, open the dropdown, and choose Likert. In the title box, enter the main question or statement that frames what you're measuring, such as perceptions of a service or agreement with policies. Below that, fill in the statements as rows. Each row is an individual item people will rate. Finally, customize the columns with your response scale. Common choices run from strongly agree to strongly disagree, but you can tailor the labels to fit your context. If you include a neutral middle point, use it consistently across items so results stay meaningful. As you build, keep phrasing simple and unambiguous and avoid double-barreled statements. Group similar questions together to reduce cognitive load. When everything looks good, scan through your form to confirm the scales, symbols, and wording are consistent. Consider adding short descriptions for context, set questions to required when responses are essential, and keep option wording parallel. If your audience is international, stick to simple language and avoid idioms. Before sharing, use the preview to test the form on desktop and mobile, and submit a sample response to verify the flow and scales feel right.